Hey, what's up, champion? Let's get back to today's journey. So, in this video, I'm going to be taking you like last 2 months in process of backtesting my strategy. So, I'm going to be taking you like I'm not going to taking the high or low of the week. I'm just going to go straight to my trend line, like the way I used to take up my trend line. So that's what I'm going to show you guys. Let me just see the high rates, like let me see the high percentage of this my strategy to show if it's going to be profitable for me for a long run or it's something that is temporal for me. So I'm going to be taking you to the screen of my laptop and we are going to be backtesting together. So let's hop in. So for this, let me just take you guys for like 3 months ago. Let me observe something on this my strategy. You know, just want to do this thing with you guys. Also, my network. So I'm going to refresh it. Let me see. Okay, it's back now. So for the purpose of this back testing, if I should go back to the high and low of a thing, it's going to take much time, and I don't think the main thing you guys want to see there, you are going to see it. So probably I'll just go straight to my 15 time frame, because that's the time frame I use for my entry and also the time frame I use for my exit. So we are going straight to Tana. I'm going to go like, what month is this? I think August. Yeah, I'm going to July, August. Yes, I'm going to hop up to July, August. No, June, July. Sorry, June, July. Then let's see how this strategy work. Like, let me just see the high percentage of the success of this strategy. Okay, if you see, I'm going to be deleting all this line. I'm going to retake it. Let me remove all of them. Yeah. So which month is this? This is 16 July. Let's still go back. Let's still go back. This is July. In short, I'm going to go to the end of the chart of this. I'm going to take you back to the end of this. I think it's going to end on probably June or April. Yeah. So this is the end, I think. Okay, no. Okay, this is the end of the chart. So if you watch here, they say power up your plan. Your plan only see 5,000 bar of 15 candle. It can only see 5,000 bar of 15 candles. And they say I should go further back in time by upgrading your plan. So guys, I don't really need any upgrading on this. This is a strategy I've been using for over like a year plus. Yeah. So for the purpose of this video, I'm only going to be showing you guys from this month frame and time frame of what is showing on the screen here. So if you watch from here, this is May. Okay, let's start from the 1st of May. That's good. That's good. So for this, regardless my high or low of the week for this, I'm not going to be using the high or low. Why is that? It's not necessary for this backtesting. Yeah, my high and low of the week is not necessary for this backtesting. So I'm only going to check the breakout, the trend line breakout, and see the high percentage of it. So if you watch from the screen here, this is, who is this? Okay, this is let me zoom out this. Okay, like I said before, every day aside from Monday, any day I want to take a trade, I really try to make up my time, arrange my things so that I'll be up as early as possible. I don't like to come late. I don't like to come late in the market. Why is that? Sometimes the market will just move and leave me. So I always like to be on time. Then I'll see how the price action is be taking place. Like see what is going to happen so that I'm not going to miss any chance. That's one of the advantage of it. So if you watch from the screen here, this is Thursday first. So probably if I was on this trade, I will be up around from 6 a.m. 7 a.m. I will be up from 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. If you watch from this little retrace, like from this bearish candle, you will see the time frame there was 6:45, which automatically, if you watch from this time frame here, like if you watch from this bearish candle, you will see the time there, it was 6:75. Yeah, you see one of the reasons why I say I always like waking up early. So probably if I was up around 6 a.m. on this chart now, I've already seen my buy setup here. Like this bullish candle are already giving me the confirmation that this market is going to be buy. Like the market is going to go up. So this little retracement I saw here, automatically I will just go to my line up because this is only the line I normally use. This horizontal line or probably my trend line. After the end of this candle, I will just quickly mark out this high here. Why? Just for me to set a trap for the market. If it break up to that, if it break above that line, I can take my buy. You see, in as much I've not know yet the direction of the market, but this is what I will have do that day. Like mark out this horizontal line from here. Then if a sell setup should come on this now, it's probably going to be after I've taken my horizontal line under this bearish candle. You see that? If probably I should see any sell setup again, because this little retracement has already given me something like this consolidation you are seeing at this zone. So probably within that time frame, I'm seeing something like this, and if you watch, it's already getting close to London session. I'll just quickly mark out this my high and low of this 15-minute time frame. Then wait any breakout above or below this line. If I see any breakout, that's going to be my entry for that day. So if you watch from here now, after I've marked out this my horizontal line and this spot here, the market broke to the upside. So automatically, if I was active on that day, my entry will be at any angle of this bullish candle. Maybe here or here or here. So any angle of this candle, that will be my buy. Like that will be my entry zone with my 20 pips or 25 pips. That's the two stop loss pips I normally use. So if you watch from this on Thursday, I will make money here. Very simple. This time I didn't use my trend line. I think with the shape of the market didn't give me any high for me to connect my trend line. It's only giving me the position for me to use only my horizontal line. So let's see from on Friday for this week, which is the next day here. Okay, if you watch this line zone, like I said before, 7 6 a.m., 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 9 a.m. I'm already up waiting for a position to take. Okay, for this Friday, if you watch normally from 6 a.m., I'm already up. Like from this push up bullish here, like from this bullish up here, automatically the market has already given me some, conference that, hey boy, begin to warm up. Like I'm about going to make a move now. Just begin to warm up yourself. So if I was active that day, what I will just do, go to my trend line, which is this up bar here. I click it. This is my trend line. Then I'll just mark any low that is very, like any recent low that is very active. I'll just mark it below these two bullish tiny candle. That will have been my setup for that day. Then if maybe the market is somehow confusing, because with this now I've not seen where the market is about going to move, but this will have been my trap for that day. If maybe like I was anticipating for a buy at this zone, what another option I will have do is also go to my trend line, because this shape of this market is only giving me a position of a trend line setup, not a horizontal setup. So what I will do that day, just start from this recent high, then bring it down to the recent low from this zone. You see? Simple, very simple. So I think in the charting, oh, I forgot what they call this. In the charting pattern, I think with this pattern, I think the name of this pattern is something triangle 1 thing. I don't really know much about those charting pattern with it, but with time I'm going to make some research on that. Not as much I have an idea of that, but I believe this is something like symmetry pattern or what, I can't really remember. But with this now, if you watch, automatically after taking this recent trend line below this little bullish retracement, the market broke this trend line. So as an experienced trader you don't have any option than to take the sell from that zone. Like no option, like you don't have anything to come and confusing you again. Like after the breakdown of this bearish candle, automatically I've already taken up my sell from this zone, marking my 20 pips or 25 pips. But for this, let me use 20 pips. You see, 20 pips to 65 pips. That's really massive. Like very simple. Like you don't need to stress yourself. Come and be checking what do they call this strategy. Like you don't need to stress yourself. Like there's a lot of pattern, there's a lot of way for you to mark up your strategy to make money in the market. This is just something I was able to bring out for myself. Like, I was the one who formed this strategy for me. I formed this by myself. So very simple, very easy. As you all know, I don't trade New York. If I should take any New York, probably I've not seen any clear confirmation on a London session. That's the only thing that's going to delay my time to able to mark out my trend line that will give me the result on New York session. You get? So for this, very simple, very easy. So let me just go over the next upper weight. Let me just over cross this. Oh, let me go. So this one was on Friday, May 2nd. This is a Monday. You guys know I don't trade on Monday. So this for on Tuesday. Let's see what has happened on that time frame I told you guys. Let's see. So probably from 6 a.m. or 7 a.m. I'm already up waiting for an entry. So if you watch from 6 a.m., so the market has been playing at this zone. Like, this is not a clear confirmation to take up any entry. So probably I will still wait till 7 a.m. and also check another setup again. This is 7 a.m. If you watch from this is a bullish candle. You know, there are some traders, because this is a bullish candle, they will probably believe that this market is going to go to the upside. No, you will still going to wait. Like, you will still wait. You're still going to wait for some clear confirmation. But if I was active on the trade, what I will probably do is, like I showed you the other day, mark out the recent low to that time frame, 7 a.m. or before 7 a.m. or before 8 a.m. You mark out the recent low. Also mark the recent high too, if necessary. You see, if necessary. Very simple. Just mark it like this and wait for the breakout of this chart pattern. If you watch at the end of that day, this was 7:15, 7:45, 8 a.m. 8:15, the market broke down. The market broke to the downside. So automatically, if you are an experienced forex trader, you have no option than to take yourself from this zone. You have no option than to take yourself from this zone. Stop loss 20 pips. Target mass 20 pips or 50 pips. Very simple. Like massive profit for that day. Massive profit for that day. So guys, not for me to prolong this video, so we are going to mark out today's date on this backtesting. This is 6th of May, Tuesday. Then I'm still going to come back again for another backtesting again, maybe probably till the end of the month or till the current month we are for this. So if you watch, let us end at this date, just for us not to make this video too long. Then we'll come back again probably next week. So guys, I think I'm done for today. Next week we are going to see again. So guys, if you know you have not yet subscribed for this YouTube channel, please beg you guys, come on, like this video, share, support our channel, support our channel, support our channel. I'll hit up your stop loss. Like my boss used to say, support our channel by subscribing, like, share this video, or I'll hit up your stop loss. So guys, thank you. Peace out. See you next week. See you on my next video. Love you. Peace out. Peace out. Peace out. Peace out.